Guys, look, I understand. Look, I just got from the gym. But I wanted to have this moment to sit down and talk to you. This topic, it came to me while I was pumping some iron. The difference between minis and standards. Now, I know it's our goal in life to play so many standards. You see how fast you can make money. So you want to skip over that point one, that mini. Well, I want you to understand that, guys, same pips that it takes for you to reach 50 pips with point one is the same that you're going to use to, of course, use 50 pips with a standard. You must, of course, create that consistency, get great with it before you can move up, because right now your account cannot handle it. You do not want to play a standard with a small enough account, because I'm telling you, you will blow it so quick. This is not a rush game. This is not a, let me see how fast I can flip a small account. This is a consistency game. So do not worry about, oh man, my friends are playing standards, but I'm playing minis or micros. It's all about becoming better, working and creating that confidence in the market. Because once you, of course, are confident, that's when you're playing standards with a higher, of course, count. And the only reason why you're going to, of course, play with a higher count is when you trust yourself. So I need you first to trust yourself. All right? Y'all have a great one.